Okay.
Not that much stuff. Don't go in the snow too much because
I know.
it's gonna stop running. Because that's what it's gonna do.
Huh. Yeah, I can go in snow. I mean, like, not like,
Powder.
yeah. Like, this is, like,
Said
perfect.
that's fine, just a little.
Yeah, I'll loop it around. It's like warm right off the extractor.
Alright. Can I try?
It's like, yeah, hold on. Hold on 1 second. Yeah. Okay.
It's like it
It's
doesn't
like
work.
I know the feeling of getting a brand new RC car and letting someone else drive. It's like,
It's 1 minute.
I put the Factor X out. That's what Travis calls it. Factor X. I'm like, dude, it's Factor.
Oh, yep, see?
I don't think it's dead. I think it.
Yeah, it doesn't die.
Yeah, I can hear it. It doesn't die. I don't know what it is.
Alright, bring the controller in, but